Welcome back to my creative video. In this video, I will tell you a story about a 12-volt battery charger that I made. I used a broken fan motor and took it apart with a screwdriver. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. The purpose of me disassembling this motor is just to get the stator winding. Next, I used a wooden board as a base for the machine. I used 4 screws to secure the stator coil to the wooden base. I used a drill to fix the screws onto the wooden base. Continue using specialized glue to attach the stator coil and screws. I used a 27mm diameter PVC pipe. Use a saw to cut the plastic pipe into 100mm pieces. Next, I use the wire to wrap around the PVC pipe. Wrap each round of wire around the plastic pipe in turn. I will wrap 2 rounds of wire. At the end, we will still have to use glue to secure it. Next, I will use special glue to fix the coil into the stator coil. I used an extra high capacity capacitor for the machine. I will use a soldering iron to connect the 2 wires of the stator coil to the capacitor. Next, I got a plug to connect to the stator coil. Use a screwdriver to firmly fasten the 2 ends of the wire to the plug. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Use a screwdriver to firmly fasten the 2 ends of the wire to the plug. This time I used a soldering iron to connect them. After connecting, I used electrical tape to wrap the joints tightly to prevent electrical leakage. Once I've completed the steps, I'll take the machine for a test drive. I have an old battery. I will check its voltage. The battery voltage has dropped to 11 volts. Now I will charge it with the machine I just built. I need a 220-volt power source to power the machine. I will clamp the two ends of the clamp to the two poles of the battery. I tried clamping the two ends of the stick together and it produced a spark. Clamp the clamp head firmly to the correct battery polarity to avoid short circuit and damage to the device. Then I used a meter to measure the current into the battery. It increased to 12 volts. After 30 minutes of charging, I will turn off the machine and take the battery out to check. Now the battery has increased to more than 12 volts. Maybe the battery capacity is also full. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.